Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's G. If you're new, welcome. Today I wanted to come with a quick little hair tutorial. So I want to show you guys how I achieve these bohemian goddess passion twists. They are super like free and flowy, and yeah, they're not uniform. They're kind of loose. They're kind of just really boho. I'll stand up so you can see the ends. Like the ends are curly, and yeah, it's just something cute. I really didn't know what to do with my hair. Like you guys know, I big chopped a couple months ago, so I'm just kind of like going through the motions with my hair right now. So I am barefaced. It is no natural light. I know all of that is just weird, but it's late. I've been doing my hair all day and I wanted to kind of wrap up this tutorial. So like I said, it'll be something quick. It was super easy to do. I did the rubber band method and I used the crochet hook method. So I'll show you how I achieved it and what I did and what I used. I will have everything in the description. It took me about maybe 6 hours, like without any breaks. So it all depends on how fast you're moving and how quickly you twist. So yeah, this is basically just 2-strand twist and it was super easy. Something I would probably do again. This is my first time doing passion twist this long. I did do like a what is this, shoulder length passion twist, and that was super quick, super easy. I did not record that, but if you want to see that, I can. But it's super similar to this. You just cut when you get to like a certain length, and then you secure with a rubber band at the end. So yeah, I don't know how many twists I have. It is quite a few, but it's not heavy at all. It's super lightweight. I really think they're cute. This is a perfect summertime style, even though we're kind of going into the winter. I just needed just something to do with my hair while I'm at home chilling. Well, not chilling, but at home, since we are in a pandemic. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this super cute protective style, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So first and foremost, can we acknowledge how much my hair has grown? Like, it's crazy. It's only been like 4 months and my hair has already like grown out of the cut that it was in. I'm super hyped. So anyways, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. It's been blow dried straight, and I am making about 2-inch parts. So I am starting from the nape of my neck and I am just making a part straight across. And I'm using edge control. So I didn't use any shine and jam or anything. I just used edge control for the entire style. So I like to put edge control on my roots while I'm parting, just to make sure that everything's kind of straight and getting everything in place while I part, to make sure that my parts are as straight as possible. I mean, when you're doing your own hair, especially in the back, your parts are probably not going to be that straight. As you see, I'm kind of struggling a little bit to get my part straight, but it'll get there. So like I said, I put edge control like right on my roots, just to kind of straighten out my hair in that area so that I can get a nice neat part. Now that I have a straight part, I'm going to part that section into 3. So I'm just going straight down and making another straight part, and I am using the edge control to clean up the part. So like I said, I'm going to do 3 in the back, and they're not huge, but they're not tiny either. So like I said, I wanted these twists to be pretty big, so I would say medium to large size. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to do 3 sections in the back. So once I have the part nice and neat, I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. So this is going to be the rubber band method, and you will see how I do the passion twist with the rubber band method and a crochet hook. I actually went ahead and sectioned off all of my hair before I started the twist. I just wanted to make it easier on myself so that I knew exactly what I was doing and how the parts were going to be. So now I'm taking 2 pieces of the water wave hair that I used. I will have everything in the description below, but you want to make sure that you kind of feather through the hair just to kind of loosen it up. And now I'm taking the crochet hook straight through my part, hooking the hair on, closing it and pulling it through so that there is 2 sides for the twist. So like you see, I'm pulling it and there you have it. There are 2 sides for the twist and then my hair in the middle. So I'm going to separate my hair and I'm pulling the rubber band just to kind of tighten the style a little bit. And I mean, you can tie the crochet hair or the water wave hair into a knot just to kind of secure it even more, but I'm not wearing this style for a long time, so I didn't feel the need to do that. I am also putting some edge control on my actual hair just to make it easier to twist. So I am twisting to the right and I'm just kind of tightly twisting just to make sure that my hair is in there. Since my hair is kind of short in the back, there is no way that my hair is not going to come through these twists. It's just like impossible. So I'm going to use more edge control just to kind of lay down where my hair was sticking out. And then I'm just going to twist all the way to the bottom. And actually, when I get to the bottom, I decided to secure the twist with nail glue. That is completely optional. You don't have to do that, but I wanted to do that because I wanted to leave some of the curly ends out. And I felt like that was the best way to secure, and I didn't want to use a rubber band or anything. So you'll see once I get to the end. And I mean, you can even see this middle twist, like my hair is definitely coming out at the top, but it's okay. This is like a, like I said, bohemian type of style. Like hair is going to be sticking out. It's messy. It's not perfect. Like that's how it's supposed to be. So I wasn't too anal about my real hair sticking out. And now I'm at the end, and like you see, I am just putting hair glue right where I stopped twisting. So it will secure the style, no unraveling or anything, and there you have it, a perfect twist. That one actually came out really, really good. So I'm going to show you from the front, kind of like a better view of what I did in kind of more detail, just so you can see it kind of better. So I start with the 2 pieces of water wave, like I said. So the hair comes just like that. And like I said, you want to stretch out the hair, just make it a little messy. And then you want to kind of measure the hair to be like uneven. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but you just have to see what I'm doing. So I am stretching out each piece so that there are 2 long pieces and then 2 short pieces, just like that. And you want to kind of twist the middle a little bit just so it can get through the hook. And I am moisturizing my real hair with Mielle hair butter, sticking the crochet hook through, putting the middle of the hair on the hook and pulling it through. Once I have the 2 pieces of water wave, I am splitting my natural hair into 2 pieces as well, tightening the rubber band again, and then I'm going to twist. So with this water wave hair, you kind of have to figure out which way to twist if you want like an actual real uniform twist. Sometimes when you twist, like your normal way of twisting, it's not the actual way that the hair is made to be twisted, if that makes sense. So you'll see, I am about to retwist because it wasn't the exact way that the twist should be twisted, if that makes sense. If you twist the opposite way of the way the hair is supposed to be twisted, it will turn out to be a very loose twist, and your hair will be sticking out, and it just doesn't look right to me. If you want to go for that look, that's fine, but I actually want twists. So I had to stop and twist it the opposite way. And I like to put edge control on my natural hair as I'm twisting, just to kind of make sure that my hair gets in with that twist and that it's not sticking out too much. Have come to the end of doing my passion twist. So what I did was use like some of those gold clips to kind of secure where some of my hair was coming out too much. So that's kind of like a little trick that you can do if you don't really want your hair to show that sticking out. Here's a picture of the finished product. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.